like, isn't that amazing? It's idling now, and it wouldn't do it before.
Yeah, that's hilarious.
But it makes 2-cycle engines a lot quicker.
Really? I bet, because there's no friction or nothing. I mean.
Well, I mean, there's hesitations in the 2-cycle, and it takes it away. I mean, they're fast to begin with. This makes them really fast.
That's crazy.
Let's see if we can get it in there. Should be no problem. It'll just leak down in. It'll take a little while to get through the fuel, you know, because it's got to start flowing through, but same thing, it doesn't take much.
It's so interesting when you do add it to oil, add it to fuel, add it to...
We're at Cliffhanger Jeep Rental. We came back to see the number 9 green Jeep that we treated a few days ago. That was very noisy, which is going to be in this video later. And tell them what they just said.
It's out on the trail.
The yellow Jeep is alone and the green Jeep is being rented.
It's not a green Jeep. Yeah, number...
Alright, so it's a good thing that they're renting their Jeep instead of letting it sit.